Welcome to Knowledge-Gent. Let the good times roll. In this episode, we're going to be taking the GoPro Hero7 Black on a test run with the TimeWarp feature. We're going to be exploring Bayou St. John and City Park, New Orleans during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. There's a lot of people out and about at Bayou St. John and City Park. So as we run through here, look for all the people. You can see that dome structure ahead. That is the Our Lady of the Rosary Catholic Church. And then right next to that almost, we'll also have Cabrini High School, a Catholic school for girls that we just went past. We also just passed the Magnolia Bridge, pedestrian bridge and bike bridge. Now we're coming up on Esplanade Avenue, and we're going through that. You will see a little bit of Deutsch's house coming up on your right-hand side just now. If you watched the last regular speed video, we didn't go down this way, so this time you're going to get to see some new parts of Bayou St. John that we didn't drive down before, but you see how it dead ends right here. So that's as far as you can go on this side. So now we're turning around, going back, and you can look back on Bayou St. John from this direction. So this will be a totally different perspective than we had in the last video, so you can see things from a different angle completely going the other direction. Here comes the Magnolia pedestrian and bicycle bridge again, and there it goes. Now we're whipping around to the other side of Bayou St. John, so you can see all the crowds here. So there's a lot of people out on this side of Bayou St. John. This is where they hold the Bayou Boogaloo. And a lot of people like to gather in this area. And we're back to Cabrini High and the Magnolia Bridge again there. Okay, here's another section of Bayou St. John that we didn't cover last time. So you'll see there's a lot of houses across the way on Bayou St. John, and then this side that we're traveling on is a lot of trees. So in this section, actually, for those of you interested in the GoPro Hero7 Black functionality, I did slow the frame rate down for this section right here only, going through the trees, because it was just a straight blur otherwise. So this part is slowed down just slightly through the DaVinci Resolve software to make it a little more viewable than it was without it, because it was nothing but a big blur. It was going by so fast with the TimeWarp feature. As you can see, there are a lot of cars parked on this side of Bayou St. John, and a lot of people are still out and enjoying it on this side even, and they get to park in the shade. We have Holy Trinity Greek Orthodox Cathedral right there. That's where they have Greek Festival. Unfortunately, that won't be happening this year because of the pandemic shutdowns. Now we've turned around and we're going back the other way towards City Park. And then we have City Park right here with all of this open area and all the trees. So it's a very large park. Now we're going over the interstate on a bridge. Now we are turning into City Park. We have the festival grounds there on the right. That's where they have the seafood festival and some other festivals. There is Christian Brothers School right there. There's the peristyle right there. A lot of people in there. There's the pop bandstand, and there was also the Cafe du Monde there in the background. We're going to go past Storyland now and Carousel Gardens Amusement Park. They have a great antique merry-go-round in there. So we're getting towards the end of the tour. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what the GoPro Hero7 Black TimeWarp feature can do, and what a beautiful area Bayou St. John and City Park are. If you would like to follow me on Yelp, I have thousands of pictures and reviews on there. You can also follow me on Instagram for more photos. And please like this video and subscribe to the NOLA Gent channel. We would also love it if you would help us out on Patreon and help the channel continue to have more content produced. Thank you very much.